Okay, so any questions on the P2P cycle?
Uh, Completely, I was not practicing, sir. Up to RFQ is created.
Mhm.
To there, I don't have any issues.
Okay,
I
so
don't have that much time today.
okay, you need to do more practice. One thing,
Okay.
okay. So
Okay.
on every day, if you need to complete on spot every day, you have to complete your practice. Then
Okay, sir.
only you can able to
Okay.
survey in the SAP. Okay, so you have
Okay,
to
sir.
be complete all the tests.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go with the next process. So I'm just going now to general topic of inventory. Okay, because
Okay.
P2P cycle was completed. Special procurement scenarios will start once I am back from the vacation. Okay,
Okay,
let's
sir.
start with the inventory related inventory related. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So I'm just talking about inventory management. Okay,
Okay.
some topics are related to inventory management. So now try to understand now. So yesterday we have received a goods. Okay. Yes, we have
Yes,
received a
sir.
goods. Yes, right.
Yes, good system.
So we have received a goods. So did you get a doubt where we can see the stock, how we uh, can find out how much stock we have for this material, and did you get idea about that? No, because we didn't discuss about the where we can see the stock and all.
Okay. Where we can for the
Yeah,
storage location also.
storage location level stock where we can see that we didn't discuss about it, right? Okay, so let's discuss that. Okay, here. Okay, so if you remember that yesterday, once we received a stock, so let's say this is the plant. Okay, let's assume that this is the plant. Okay, this is the like it's a plant. Let's consider that. Okay, this is the inward point and this is the outward point. Okay,
Okay.
so inward means it is getting into stock and outward is going out. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll just put some things like dark.
Going out means it's like a say on the like a
Anything which
sale.
is like maybe one plant to another plant, or it may be customer delivery. Anything which is
Okay.
like okay, anything can be outbound. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is. I'm just talking about that. This is the inbound, which is like we are receiving uh, inbound point. Okay, that means goods receipt area,
Okay.
goods receipt area. Okay, and the same thing like we can also talk like just trying to understand about that. This is the goods issue area. Okay, shipment will be happen from here. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the goods receipt area and this is the goods issue rate. So here they will do the unloading and here they will do the unload. Okay, load and dispatching the stock to the outside. Okay,
Okay.
now when it is coming to inside of the inventory, okay, inside of the plan, okay, so you need to be defined that which storage location have to be put the stock. Okay,
Okay.
so there might be have the different stocks. Okay, there are so many store locations are there. Okay, there might be raw material store location, or it may be okay production store location, or it may be packing store location, or it may be okay. So different store location it is there. How it is like in our home, there are different rooms, right? So like here also there
Yes.
will be different locations we are keeping the stock. Okay, it may be production area also. Okay, sometimes production store location they will be performing all the production. Okay, so
Okay.
let's assume that. Okay, so this is the raw material store location. Okay, and you can okay, it might be this is the like packing material storage location. Okay, and it may be here it is like finished goods FG finished goods finished materials store location. Okay, or it may be packing station, or it may be production store location. Okay, storage location. Okay, and it may be okay. Packing station, storage location, packaging storage location. Okay,
Okay.
so now once it is getting into the stock inside the plant, you need to be tell to the system which store location has to be placed the stock. So that is what we discussed yesterday, right? So either you just need to be put here, or you might be put here. Okay, so or maybe here, or it may be here. Okay, so like you
Okay.
have to be mentioned that where exactly you want to be placed the stock.
Okay.
Okay, correct. So that is what we are entering the store location in at the time of goods is shipped. Okay, we are planning that. Okay.
Okay.
So now if suppose there is the area which is like GR blocked area. Okay. So let's assume that GR blocked area. Here what we'll do, they will just cross checking that the stock, the G block stock. Okay. So what they will do here, once the stock which is getting here into the plant, they will initially put it into the JR block area or JR block stock area. Okay, then they will do all the validation. Then if everything looks good, then they will move the stock from here to their actual store location.
Okay.
Okay, actual store location. Clear?
Yeah.
So that means initially it won't get into the store location. It won't get into the store location.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be go to the GR blocked area. Okay, then they will check the product and they will be moving to the if it is everything
Okay.
looks good, then they will be
Okay.
placing into store location. Okay,
Okay.
so here and here what is the difference here? Okay, if you got the stock into GR block stock, then you are validating and you are processing this one. So here we are doing first step is moving the stock to GR block stock
Share
area,
block start.
and then second step is moving to the our own store location,
Okay.
validated store location. So that means in this place, whatever the stock which is there, that still it's not validated. Okay, because still it is in the under process. So there is
Okay.
no accounting entries which will be impacted here. Okay, when it is moved to store location, then only it will be. In case if the stock was any damage, or if it is not good, then we can directly move this to vendor location. We can send back to the vendor. Okay, so if you think that this is the vendor location, okay, if it is a suppose he is outside of the vendor, okay, so vendor, okay. So and what I'm doing here, I'm just sending these goods to vendor.
And then
And that means it is a returning back to from
return
the
stock.
my GR block stock. Okay,
Okay.
return stock it is. Okay, so here you can say return stock,
Okay.
return. Okay, from GR block stock to return. Okay, or if you are accepting, then you can move from GR block stock to this one. So in this case, it is like a acceptance. Okay,
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
So so I informed yesterday. You can also do the direct movement to the raw material store location. That means whatever the store location you are planning to put the stock, you can directly receive the stock from the directly to that store location when you are receiving the goods, right?
Okay.
So that is a one step. So that is called one step. And if you want to go with the two-step procedure, first you have to come to here, then you have to move to step two. Okay. So in this case, what will be happen? This is the first step. So here, this is the first step. Okay. So in under this one, first step is step one.
Okay.
This is step one. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Step two.
whatever we are doing from GR block stock to
Raw
uh,
material.
raw material store location or any store location, that will be step two. So this is
Okay.
called two-step procedure. Okay.
Okay.
So that means goods shipped with purchase order. Okay, we can do in the single step procedure. That means okay, you can directly receive the goods. Can directly receive the goods here. Okay. So I'll just put this. Okay. I'll just take this as a
First step.
okay. So you can directly receive the goods. Okay. into the store location from whatever we received from the vendor. Okay, so this is the one-step procedure. One-step procedure. Okay,
Okay.
this is a one-step procedure. Okay, so that means we are receiving the goods directly to our store location from here to here. Or if you don't to receive, okay, if you don't want to receive directly store location, first I need to check that and revalidate, and once everything is looks good, then
Inspection.
move to the no inspection is completely different. Okay, that
Okay.
inspection was completely different. It's just like a validation. Okay,
Okay. Validation.
validation you can just consider like validation. Okay, so in that case you can go directly here. Okay, first step one is gear block stock, then step two is the raw material receiving. Okay, so
Okay.
in this step, okay, in this step, what is the movement type? One step procedure, 101, which we already did yesterday, if you remember that,
Okay.
right? Which we did yesterday, right? 101.
Yes. 101.
So 101. This is the one step procedure, which is 101. Okay. Okay. Then, if it is a two-step procedure, then here the first step is will be like 103 movement type. 103 movement type. Okay. Then the second step is 105.
Okay.
Is like 105. Okay. Clear? So
Clear.
step one is the only one movement type, that is 101 movement type, and step two, two-step procedures, which is like we have 103 and 105. You have to perform two transactions to receive the stock.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, now, okay, I'll just do this side. Okay. Now, in this raw material store location, okay, in this raw material store location, we have the two, three categories, like three types of stocks. Okay, we can divide it into three types of stock. It is there in our store location only, but okay, still it is not okay. It might be we have to do some validation like quality inspection and all, or okay, or maybe
Mhm.
you can block the stock. Okay, if it is now we got the stock here, 1,000 pieces. Let's assume that we got we got some 1,000 pieces here.
Okay.
Okay, so which we are received 1,000 pieces here. So now these 1,000 pieces. Okay, so if you want to be put it into quality inspection stock, okay, you can put it in the QA stock. Okay,
Okay.
or if you want to put it in the unrestricted stock, you can put it in the unrestricted stock.
Okay.
Okay, and if you want to be put it in the block stock, then you can put it in the block stock. Okay, so what is the difference here? Okay, when you are receiving the stock, you need to tell that whether this stock is the uh, unrestricted stock, means you can utilize the product immediately to any of the purpose. That means you can send this product to the customer, or you can send this product to the production department. You can send to the some utilization purpose. You can send. Okay. In case if you are thinking that this product was not good, okay, then you just tell that okay, I want to be cross check again quality. Then I'll just put it in the quality inspection stock. Okay. So then, if they are okay and the quality team is validated and everything looks good, then they can move the stock from quality to unrestricted. Okay, until it will be there in the QA stock. So this is not saleable stock or not usable stock. Okay, so this stock is it will display in our location, but it is a restricted. It's not okay. It is restricted to use. Okay, clear. The same way, if you thinking that this product was completely damaged and not able to do anything or complete scrap, some doubt it is there by looking at the product, and you want to do some again revalidation check and everything, then what you can do in the block stock, you can put initially block stock, and once you just validate it, then if everything looks good, then you can move to unrestricted. If you're still not good and you are planning to check again quality and all, you can move to the block to quality.
Okay.
Okay. So the stock types are three types. Okay. One is quality inspection stock. The second one is unrestricted stock, and third one is block stock. Okay.
Block stock.
Okay. So you need to be informed to the system whether you want to go directly utilizing purpose unrestricted stock. That means there is no restriction to use this product, and quality inspection or block stock. Okay. Clear.
Yes.
Okay. So this what are the 1,000 pieces you are planning to receive? You when you are doing one at one moment, there itself you have to tell what type of the stock type you want to be selected. Okay, that's what we just tested. There is a stock type field is there. We can select the unrestricted, quality, and block route. Right now, if suppose now if suppose okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just put two way. So okay. So quality to unrestricted is possible, unrestricted to quality also it's possible. Okay,
Okay.
so two steps it is possible because it may be once I receive unrestricted stock again if I just thinking that this product was not still not good, then you can move back to
Again,
the block stock to that.
quality.
Okay, that you can do it. Okay, again block it to unrestricted, unrestricted to block also it is possible. Okay,
Okay.
the same way again unrestricted to quality also possible. So unrestricted to sorry, quality to block rate also possible, and block to quality also it's possible.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, so I'll just put this one. Okay, okay. So once I receive the stock, you can just okay inform. You can inform like which stock type I have to put. Then you can decide that whether you want to be moved that stock for utilizing purpose, or you can whatever it may be you can do it. Okay. So then, when you once it is unrestricted stock, then only you can move the stock to for external purpose. That means maybe you can use for the customer dispatch, or maybe you can use for the production issue, or whatever you want to be do, you can do that.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Any doubts here?
Yes.
So you want so maybe you can do plan to plan transfer also. Okay, you can do plan to plan transfer, or you can do whatever it may be. You can do it. Okay. So now what you understand here? One is goods received with purchase order. Okay, goods received with purchase order that is 101 moment type, and goods received with purchase order for two-step procedure then it is a 103 and another 105. Okay, and if you want to
Okay.
do between the stock movement between the store different stock types, okay, that again different movement types will be there. Okay,
Okay.
343, 344, 349, 350, like different movement types are there. Okay,
Okay. For
now
this 343, there is all from the store, like in raw material storage location is there, no, sir?
no,
Like from
it's
quality to
not raw material store
you
location.
are
It's
to
not.
block.
No, it's not raw material store location. It is stock type to stock type movement.
Okay.
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 Whatever the store location is there, it's okay. It's not only the okay. I can remove this one if you want to understand purpose. You can. I will remove this is store location.
Okay.
Okay.
Store
Stock
location.
keep. You can put like stock keeping unit.
Okay.
SKU. Anything which you can. Okay. Clear.
Okay.
Clear. So
Yes.
now now okay now it is there in the unrestricted. You want to move this stock to other store location. Maybe if you I have a production store location, they are planning to do some production, so they want to the stock raw materials. Okay, for to complete the finished goods. So in that case, what you can do, you can move the stock. Okay, you can move the stock from here
Okay.
to
Production
again
storage.
production store location. Okay, so here again, what will be happen? The production store location is different store location, and okay, and our keeping stock keeping unit store location was different. Huh?
Yes.
So, or if you want to do this store location to this store location, again, you want to be keep into the different store location. Store location to store location want to be moved. Okay, so that is also possible. Clear?
Yes.
So this is called store location to store location transfer. One store location to another store location. So let's assume that this store location is triple zero one store location. Okay, and this store location is triple zero two store location. To store location, and this store location is triple zero two store location. Okay, so like it is a triple zero four store location. Like this, we just defining that four characters of len triple zero five store location. So now you can do this store location to this store location, this store location to this store location, this store location to this store location. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay. So here again, store location to store location, again there is a one-step procedure, two-step procedure. Okay. So one step what will be happen? First it will be moved from here. Then the second step it will be receiving the store location. Between that it is in the in-transit stock. The one step procedure what will be happen at one single step, it is debiting here and it is creating here. Okay, the stock added here and stock losing here, lost the
Okay.
here. Okay, so that is the way also you can do. So how many procedures you understand here? The first procedure is course receipt with purchase order. Okay, okay, with single step. Okay, single procedure, single step. You don't need to be mentioned, but it's single step. That is what we are generally doing with one at one moment time. And there is a goods receipt
Good, sir.
with purchase order. Again, there is a two-step procedure with a two-step procedure. That is like 103 and 105.
105.
Okay. Then return goods from GR blocked area. GR block stock. Okay. Return goods from GR block stock. That will be the moment type of 124. Okay. And store location to store location. Store location to store location transfer. It is like okay. 301 is a one single step, single step. Okay. And store location to store location. Store location transfer with two-step procedure, which is like 303, 305. This is
Sorry,
two-step.
here store location to storage location transfer 301 single step is there, no, sir?
Ah, yeah. It is directly. It is moving
It
from.
is direct,
It is moving
directly from
directly to here. Yeah.
double zero one to double zero two, like.
Ha. It is like triple zero
Uh,
one to triple zero two directly.
okay.
If it is a
Sir, is
two-step,
there
yeah, one minute. It is a
any
two-step
other?
procedure. If it is two-step procedure, what will be happen? At first, it will come to the in transit. Then again, it will move from here to here.
Okay,
Okay.
like any quality inspection, like.
No, no, no. It's not quality inspection. First, it is moved from out. Okay. Then the second step, they are receiving the stock.
Okay,
Okay. So it is not quality or it's not blocked. Okay. So what will be happen? Suppose store locations are too far. It may be 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. So it is not possible
okay,
to place from a one store location to other store location, right? Right? It
okay,
is very difficult, no? If it is side by side store location, then it's very easy. We can move
okay,
immediately, right? So that is what. Okay.
okay,
One step, two step procedure. Okay, clear?
okay. Sir, is there any momentum for here in the 001? It is
Mhm.
moving from the quality inspection to our
That is
unrestricted.
there. I will tell you. I will tell you.
Is
That is
there
there.
any
It
momentum?
will come. I will come. I will come. I'll come to that point. Okay.
Okay,
So store location to store location, one step procedure, two step procedure. Okay. And if you want to return, vendor returns from okay from store location. It may be QA, it may be QA stock, or it may be block stock, or it may be unrestricted stock. Whatever it may be.
okay,
Okay. The moment type is 122.
okay,
Okay. 122. Okay, and we have one more moment type also, 161. Okay, there is the two steps are there. Okay, vendor store location, vendor returns from store location only. This is also from store location only. Same QA and block code and unrestricted. Okay, and that will be the 161. But what is the difference here? Here with reference to written PO we are creating.
Okay.
Okay, here we don't have any PO. So then what is the reference here? It is reference of GR document. The reference of GR document. GR document, because you received a stock, then you are identified that the stock was not good. Then with reference to that GR document, you are returning back. Okay, clear? Did you understand what is the return PO and return GR document? Clear or not clear?
So, GR.
So you are received yesterday,
Okay.
right? You received a goods receipt, right?
Yes.
Yesterday. That
Yesterday.
that reference document you are creating reversal return.
Okay.
Okay, but here I don't have any GR document because it's long back I received. Okay, 6 months
Okay.
back I received. So I don't know what is the GR document for reference, and it is already
Okay.
6 months gap is there. Then I'll be
Okay.
creating separate PO, return
Return
PO.
PO. Okay.
Then I'll be moving the stock.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
So this is the way also we can do the vendor return. Okay. Then I'll come to next page. That is stock movements. Inventory management. Okay, inventory management, stock movements and inventory management.
Okay.
Now I'll go to next slide again.
Sir,
Yeah.
actually in the above slide,
Uh,
uh, this, this 122 and 161 is there, no, sir? It is
uh,
returning from the storage location to vendor. Returning.
Store location, actual store location. That means from here,
Uh,
from this
uh,
store location or this
okay.
store location or from this store location or from this store location. And you are
To
doing
vendor.
vendor return. Okay, this is also vendor return only. This is also vendor
Okay.
return only.
This is also vendor return.
But GR block
Okay.
stock. That means it is in the this area.
Okay.
So still it is
In
not
the
restored in the store location.
yes.
Okay. So that return also you
Yes.
can do it. So
Uh,
if you need to understand, I'll just
okay.
report this one.
Okay.
We just to put this into the somewhere. So I'll just do what I'll just return the stock from the store location. I'll just doing return stock from the here.
Yes.
Okay, it's going out to the vendor. Okay.
Okay. Sir, but what about this in the 001, 001 storage location is there, no, sir?
I'll tell you 1 minute. Okay, okay, this is also vendor return. So
Okay.
return stock. Okay,
Okay. That was clear.
return stock. This is also return stock. Okay. Let me tell me now. Tell me.
In the 001 storage location is there, no, sir? SQA unit.
Okay.
Here the goods is from the inspection to unrestricted stock.
Sorry. No, your voice is
QA
not.
to UR, it is going
Any stock
to
type. Any stock
QA,
type. Either any stock type
any
it is
stock,
there.
any stock.
Any stock type it is there, you can return.
Okay. And I'm not asking about the return, sir.
Uh,
Just I'm asking about that. That is, the stock is just moving from QA to blocked or unrestricted.
uh,
In the at that time, there is any moment type we use.
that's what. Let me complete all. Okay. Still, it's not completed. I'm just going
Okay.
with one by one.
Okay.
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 Don't hurry at that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll teach you.
Okay.
Okay. So now in this figure, now the returns is completed. When the returns is completed, and either it may be from the GR block stock or it may be from the unrestricted quality or it may be block stock, anything which is we can return. Okay. Uh, Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, so this vendor returns again two-step procedures, which is like 122 or 161 or 124. Okay. This is year block stock DC. Okay.
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 Now,
Okay.
now if you see that store location to store location transfer, which is like 301, 303, 305. Okay. Now
Yes.
between stock movements, stock movement between the stock types.
Okay.
Stock movement between the stock types. What are the stock movement type between the stock types? It
Okay.
is there. Okay. So it will be okay. So what are the stock movement types? Said first unrestricted to quality. Okay.
Quality.
Then quality to unrestricted.
Index.
Okay. Then unrestricted to blocked. Okay. Then again blocked to unrestricted. Okay. Then again unrestricted. Okay.
Okay.
And quality to blocked.
Locked.
Blocked to quality. Okay. So these are the different stock movement types between the stock types. Okay. Again here also different movement types will be there. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll
Okay.
show you in the system. Okay. So how we can see the stock movement types and all. Okay. So I told right 343, 344, 349, 350. Okay. 320.
Okay.
Like we have different movement types are there. Okay. So
Okay.
in this case, if you see that in this total procedures, okay. So all the stock movements which is happen in the our location level, store location level, right? Is it correct or wrong?
Correct,
All
sir.
it is happening within the store location or within the plant, right?
Yes.
So, so now if you are issuing back to outside, if you are issuing the stock to the outside, okay. So
Okay.
what are the movement type it is like? It is a completely ST related issue. Okay, it is completely ST related. What is the
Okay.
ST? Okay, it might be okay. Delivery. Once delivery is moving from unrestricted delivery, okay, unrestricted stock. Delivery is moving from unrestricted stock. Okay, or maybe it's packing materials or raw materials, or it may be finished goods or anything which is like okay that is moved from the unrestricted stock to customer. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
so these are the moment types you have to learn. Okay, these are the moment types you have to learn. So when you are processing the uh, all inventory stock related issues. Okay, all inventory related issues you have to do these steps. Okay, so let's see in the system. Okay, the moment types and everything. Okay, I'll just open the system and I'll go to MIGO. Okay, so you need to observe that here if you see that unrestricted to quality, it might be it is like a 322 or 23. Okay, it may be 323 or this is the 322 reversal. Okay, and the quality to unrestricted, unrestricted to quality. Okay, I'll just open the system. Okay, I'm just going to MIGO. Okay, then you can go to goods shipped and purchase orders. Something I'm just going to that here. You just see here there is a lot of mom types are there. So which I shown right 321,
Yes.
322. Okay, 343, 344. Okay, that I will show you now. Okay, if you see here, let's see here. There is a mom types which starts with okay, this is goods shipped, right? I'll select the transfer postal. Okay, so now we'll see that. So let's see now store location the moment types, which is 321. I said right 321, which is a call transfer posting quality to unrestricted. So
Okay.
this is the quality to unrestricted. Where is that? Okay, quality to unrestricted. So this is the quality to unrestricted, which is like 321. Yeah, reverse like 321 and this 322. Okay, so this 321 is the quality to unrestricted, and unrestricted to quality is 322. Okay, now if I go to 343, 343 transfer posting block stock to unrestricted. Okay, so where is the blocks to unrestricted? This is the 343. Okay, so
Okay.
then obviously it will be like 344. Okay, unrestricted to block, it is a 344. And then quality to blocked. If you see the 349 millimeter, blocked to quality, quality to blocked. Okay, so this is the 349
Oh,
and this is a 3.
349, 350.
Okay, so these are the movement types for this one. Okay,
Okay.
and if you can see these movement types also here. Okay, I just explained about 301, right? This is also transfer posting, right? So you can see 301. This is a transfer posting. Okay, sorry. This is store location, so I just confused that. Okay, 311, 313, and 315. Sorry, I just confused this one. So plan to plan transfer, it will come 301. Okay,
Okay.
and the store location to store location transfer, it will come 311. Okay, so okay, now if you can see that here, transfer posting store location to store location, one step procedure. This is 311. Okay, and if you go to 313, okay, first initial it will go to moving from the one store location, but it's not placed in the other store location. When you are doing the 315, it will be placed in the other store location. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 311, 315. Okay, then what else you have just shown this one? Vendor returns 122, 12061. So I'll just go to vendor returns. So return delivery. Okay, so this return delivery automatically when you have created a document, it will display. Okay, so if you want to see the movement type, I will go to transaction code OMJJ. OMJJ is the transaction code to see the movement type. Okay, so here it will be defined that what are the movement types we have. All the movement types it will be displayed. I just confused this one. I don't know. Okay, then okay, if you see that these are the movement types. First one, goods received to 101. Okay, and 103 GR into the block stock. And
Block stock.
105 GR from block stock. That means from block stock to our unrestricted stock, it is moved to our store location. It may be quality or unrestricted, or it may be block, whatever it may be. So when you are using 101, it is only single step. And if you are doing 103, then you have to do the 105 performance. You have to perform the 105. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that is 103, 105, 101. Okay. Then vendor returns 124 and 122. Go to 122, returns, okay, vendor return, and this is also under returns. So one is return from the store location, one is from the GR block stock returns. Okay, 124. Clear? Clear? Then
Yes.
161. 161 again, that is also under returns only. 161 again, that is also vendor return, GR return. Okay, clear? So
Yes.
every moment type have the one reversal moment type. That means if you created one at one, if you want to cancel that one, then it will be its system will have the reversal moment type, that is the 1 or 2. Okay. And if it is 1 or 3, you
Okay.
mistakenly create a 1 or 3, then you want to be cancel this one again 1 or 4. So
I'm
that
not
means
for.
every moment type, the next moment type will be reversal moment type. Cancellation or reversal moment
Okay.
type. Okay. So
Okay.
1 or 1, 1 or 2, 1 or 3, 1 or 4, 1 or 5, 1 or 6, 1 or 124, 125, 311, 312, 313, 314,
Okay.
315, 316, 122, 123, 161, 162. Like that, every have the different moments will be have. Okay. So anyway, this
Okay.
is the for this reversal, the same, right? For unrestricted to quality you are doing. If you want to do the quality to unrestricted, then it is the same, right? the procedure. So that's why here there is no reversal. Only the process stock type to stock type. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, clear? Any question here?
Yes. Awesome.
So I'll just put here. Okay, unrestricted quality, quality to block.
Okay.
Clear? Any questions?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So now, uh, as of now, we just discussing about that all the moon types, but where we can see the stock in SAP. So there is a T codes are there, transaction codes, which we can see the reports. So that is like a report. Okay. What is the report which is like MMBE? We can see the stock overview of the each individual material. One material we can see. And there will be MB52. You can see the stock overview again for multiple materials. You can see multiple materials and all. Okay. So these two are the reports we are using to see the stock. Okay.
Stock.
Stock. So whether which is once we receive the goods receipt, whether the stock is received in the store location or not. So we don't know, right? How much stock it is there in the this store location, this store location, this store location, this store location, this store location. We don't know, right? Exactly.
Yes.
Right? Correct or wrong? Right? So
Yes.
we don't know, right? Okay. So then if you have the multiple plants, suppose this is one plant and there is one more plant, it is there. One is Hyderabad branch, one is the uh, somewhere in the Bangalore branch. Okay. This is plant 2000. Okay. And this is plant 1100.
Okay.
Okay. So plant 1100, plant 1100 and plant 1000. Okay. So now plant to
Thousand.
plant transfer. This is a different branch and this is a different branch. Okay. So if you want to do branch to branch transfer, plant to plant transfer, in this case again one step, two step procedures are there. Okay. So one step procedure is the 301, two step procedure is the 303, 305. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to do like you can do simply I just put down. I can use these words here. Yeah, so this is a plan. Again, this plan to this plan. Okay. If you want to do the stock movement, again you can do the stock movement here. Okay. So this plan to this plan if you want to do. Okay. Then again it is 301, 303, 305 movement types. Okay. So
Okay.
you can write here plan to plan transfer. Okay. So single step 301 and two step procedure 303 and 305. This is also transfer posting. Okay, this is also transfer posting. Clear?
Okay.
So one
Yes, sir.
plant to plant transfer you want to do, then it is a one plant to another plant if you want to do, that is a 301 moment time. Okay.
Okay.
So 301 is a single step. Okay, and 303 and 305 is a two step procedure.
Two step.
Two step procedure. Okay. So this is 301,
Okay.
303, 305. Two step, one step procedure. Clear?
Clear.
So this is the way the movements we can do in the system. Again, in the plant, okay, you want to be scrap the product. Okay, that means you want to be scrap that product, and I don't want to use furtherly this product. So this is completely damaged. Okay, So in this case, you can do scrapping. Okay, goods issue to scrap. So now whatever we discussed, these are all transfer posting. This is the transfer posting, and this is the transfer posting, and the store location to store location. This is a transfer posting. Okay, so I'll just put this separately.
Okay.
Okay, so these three are the vendor returns. Okay, and this is the transfer posting, and this is the transfer posting, and these are the transfer posting. Okay, and the above which is we did, it is a goods issue.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I can put that. This is a goods issue, these two steps, and this is the vendor returns.
Vendor returns.
Okay, and this is a transfer posting. Whatever we discuss here, these are our transfer posting. Okay, so these are the transfer posting, and these are also transfer postings for me.
Oh,
These are also transfer postings for me. Okay, so these are all transfer postings. Clear?
yes.
Okay, so if you want to do stock issue, okay, I'll just open one more slide. This is goods issue. Okay, so I'll just put the same. I'll just put same thing. Okay, but I'll just put here goods issue. Okay, so as of now we discussed about
Okay.
that internal movements and okay receipt and all we discussed. Now goods issue. It may be goods issue is nothing but like it is the moving the stock from the my store location to might be outside
External.
external anything. Whether it may be to the customers or it may be to the okay uh, consumption purpose. Okay, or it may be so wherever there is a
Okay.
utilization, the value value to stock was impacted. Okay, the stock movement was impacted at accounting level. There it will be like we are using goods issue. Okay, if
Okay.
you see that here, if you are doing the transfer posting unrestricted to quality, quality to unrestricted block everything, there is no impact of accounting. Okay, and if you are
Okay.
doing the store location to store location, there is no impact of the accounting because it is all we are doing internally only. Internal within the
Internal
our
load.
plant only. Within the our plant only.
Okay.
Okay, there is no impact. But while doing the goods issue, what will be happen? It will be impacted after the value of the product. Okay, impacted on the value of the product. What it is impacted? Let's say, first one is scrapping. First one is scrapping. Okay, so scrapping. What is the scrapping? What is the scrapping? If the product is completely damaged and it is not possible to return to the vendor also, there is no possible, and it is completely expired because of after some other reason it is scrapped. Now I want to be move the stock to from validated stock to non-validated and completely scrapped. So no, you don't use this product again for this anything. So it is scrapped. So what we'll do in the home if it is a tomatoes or it may be vegetables are damaged, what we'll do? We'll be scrap it, right? We'll just throwing out.
Bypass. Yes.
So garbage or something like that is the same here also. See here what is impact of the accounting entries? Your valuable product cost it is going to zero because you are doing the scrap, right?
Yes.
Correct or wrong? Because scrap means it is completely the product was damaged and there is no value for that product now.
Yes.
So again that is the impact of the our material stock value. है ना? But if you see
Okay.
here, if you move to unrestricted quality or production block or anything, here it's not impacted. It is restricted. The stock was restricted to use for further. But here it's completely we are telling that don't use this product furtherly. It is completely damaged, expired, scrapped. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Then goods issued to
Yes,
the
sir.
cost
Clear.
center. Goods issued to the cost center. Cost center means I just told right. It is maybe HR department or it may be finance department or it may be admin department. Like okay, maybe marketing department like that. Any
Okay.
of the department we define as a cost center in our system. Okay. Now it is the we are issuing the stock for the consumption. We are issuing the stock to the cost centers for the consumption utilization, immediately utilization. Now suppose
Utilization.
I have the food packets. I'm just giving to HR team. They are utilizing immediately because there was some occasion or something. They are consuming that product. Okay, so that is the one
Okay.
consumption. Okay, or production order. Okay, production order. So you are issuing the components to production order because you want to be produce the product of FG by using these components. So the components consumption. What is the consumption? What is the
Okay.
meaning of consumption? What is the meaning of consumption?
Is different
Consumed.
use.
Consumed means what? You are using that product.
Use.
Usage.
Okay.
Okay, utilizing or usage the product. Okay. So by using this product, you are preparing some FT product. By using this product, you are using that product. So that product was utilized. Already there is no stock. It will display after you consume the stock. Right? So consumed. Consumption means it's consumed the product. Consumed. Okay. So, like you can do the goods issue to cost center, goods issue to production order, like goods issue to some project, goods issue to some maintenance order, so anything which you can do. All it will be impacted after my stock value because you are moving from the store location to outside of the consumption. Okay, there will be a department. It is there in our branch. They have the HR department, finance department like that. We have our production department. It is there. Okay, this is the one. Again, this is the one. So these are the departments. So whatever is circulated, this is like HR department, finance department, or okay, production department, production consumption, like that. I'm just adding that like okay. So whatever the stock which is moving from here to here, it is completely consumption purpose. It's not
Okay.
keeping the stock at HR level. We are
Okay.
utilizing the product directly. So in this is the call goods issue. The stock was moving to the com- consumption. Okay, so in this
Okay.
case, we can use the goods issue. We can use the concept of goods issue. So in this case,
Okay.
what will happen? The stock again impacted because the store location level stock was consumed already. That means the stock value in the store location zero because you already used that product. Okay, so who used and what purpose they are used again? It is the cost center level. They will be looking into that. But we are only responsible when it is there in our location, the stock. But if it is going
Okay.
to the HR department, if it
Stock
is
is
going to
available in our location.
yeah, if it is going to some HR department, administrative department, I am not worrying about that because it's already consumed. You just consider it, it's already consumed.
Oh,
Okay, so this is a cost center. Again, production order. Production order. If there is a department, production department is there. Okay, let's say we just put like some circle. There will be some production department is the production process going on here. It means maybe some some factory. It's kind of some machinery. Okay, manufacturing machinery,
okay.
manufacturing or FG preparation. I'll just put like this comment. Okay? Production. Okay, production unit or manufacturing unit. You know, right?
Manufacturing unit.
Manufacturing unit. You know, right? Manufacturing
Yes.
unit. Okay. So this, let's say, this is a manufacturing unit. This is a manufacturing unit. Whatever it is there,
Okay.
it is a manufacturing unit.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a manufacturing unit. So what will be happen here? This production manufacturing unit, what will be happen? If you are consuming the stock, the components will be issuing to this production department. Then they will be utilizing that component and they will be preparing the finished goods. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So again, here also it is possible two way. Why it is two way? It is possible. Why here it is two way possible? Why it is two way possible here from the store
If
location?
any if any material was left, then again they store in the store location.
Okay, okay. So why it is? Because store location to production manufacturing unit, there will be we are issuing that components. But it is prepared, once it is prepared, semi final product, FJ product, again to keep the stock, it again it will come to the our store location only, right? Because we are keeping the stock there itself,
Okay.
right? Right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So I'm issuing the components to the production department or production unit. Okay, they are manufacturing the FG product and they are sending back to the our store location again FG product. Right?
Okay.
So now here if you consider that goods issued to production order. Goods issued to production, what are these components? So what is the component? Maybe raw materials, packing materials, okay, semi-finished goods, anything which is like, okay. That is we are consuming. Okay. So in this case the moment type is 261. 261. Okay.
Okay.
This case 261. I'll just put two bullets here. This is scrapping. This cost center consumption, and this is production order consumption. Okay. So here it is consumed, right? So cost center consumption moment type is 201 and production order consumption is 261. So you understand, right? What is the difference between goods issued to cost center, goods issued to production order?
Okay. Okay.
Difference is there, right?
Yes.
Is there or not there?
Is there?
It is there because it is a department. Some internal department to utilization purpose we are sending. But this production order we are sending because of this is components is required to produce the final product. Okay. So here I understood that I will be getting the stock back, FG product, right? So once the component was consumed, the raw materials or packing materials was consumed, so again I will be get the stock back to me, the FG product, right? So that
Oh,
means there is a goods receipt again. So again this goods receipt process here, goods receipt with production order or process
oh,
order, okay, or production order or process order, okay. So this is again moment type is one or two, okay, clear? What
yes.
is the difference between production order and process order? Production order is nothing but like a something kind of the production, manufacturing the product.
Manufacturing.
And process order is nothing but like it's processing. Suppose let's say I'm just converting milk to ghee, milk to butter, milk to cream, or milk to paneer, milk to. So it's these are our process. So process.
Okay.
Okay. Once we just mix it up to chemicals, it will be like processing, and it will be creating the final product. Right? But manufacturing, like it's assembling the products, components, two, three, four,
Components.
assembling the product, right? So that is what difference. It is completely PP related. Don't need. Okay. So like
Okay.
you can see here 201, 261, and 551 movement type.
551.
Some more movement types also there. 231, 241, 251. There's so many movement types are there. That is not much important. It's completely related to project. Okay. If there is particularly project related, you are sending the goods, then that will be different again. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So then again you need to under here post goods issue. Post goods issue is nothing but like goods issue or post goods issue. Both are same to customer, final product. Okay. So here it will be
Okay.
like 601 movement time. So this is a complete ST process. So don't worry about this one. Okay. PJ
Okay.
goods issue to customer. Okay. And there will be some process like goods issue, the components to here are components to subcontractor. What is a subcontractor? You know everyone? What is a
Like
subcontractor?
like a third party.
So it's kind of the subcontract. It's not third party. It's kind of the subcontractor who will be
Uh,
producing the product by using my components and without my hand, because we are giving the raw materials to them. They will be preparing the final product.
okay. They're mixing some other products and
Then they will not mix anything. They will be using my product. Anything that is
okay.
also
Okay.
possible. That is also
Okay.
possible. Chargeable products also possible. Non-chargeable products also possible. Okay. Like example,
Okay.
I have the red chilies. Okay, but I don't have the manufacturing unit to prepare the red chili powder. Correct.
Yes.
So if I want to red chili powder, definitely I have to go to some nearest mill. I have give them to the mirchi, red chili mirchi. Then we'll ask them to produce the
To
red
make a
chili.
powder. Yes.
Like so, you have that how batter will prepared batter. So
Yes.
it is again you need some grinder, right? Grinder, mixer, grinder, something kind of done which is required.
Okay.
Again, turmeric powders, red chili
Yes.
powders, masala powders. So all these things. Okay. So the
Okay.
subcontractor will be making that final product by using the my raw materials. So in this case again,
Okay.
to a components to subcontractor. So in
Okay.
this case again, that moment type will be different. 541. Okay.
Okay.
So give me 1 minute. I will come back. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the also goods issue. So I'm just giving that different kind of the goods issues what we have. Okay, so these are the stock movement types you generally we have to remember. Okay, there are so many other movement types are also, but these are the movement types you have to remember. Okay,
Okay.
okay, clear. So I will show
Yes.
you that now in the system some process. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the goods receipt with purchase order, right?
Yes.
Goods receipt with purchase order we completed, right? None.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So if I go to here MIGO, I can go to display. Okay, if you have the material document number, you can see here. You can enter the material document number here. If you not remember that, maybe you can see in the hide overview. You can see show overview. Here it will be displayed what are the documents which you posted. In case if you are not remember here also, you can click on here, find a material document, and it will go to MB51 document. Okay, this is the one report. You can see what are the material documents you have posted. So I have posted 101 moment type. I know the moment type. I know the material also 100-200 material. Okay. And when it is
Okay.
posted also I know when it is posted. Yesterday I have posted.
Yesterday.
So like you can search the material document. So you can search the material document like this also when it is posted so you can see this is the material document which is posted. Okay, this is the material document number which is posted. Okay. You can see this is the material document number which is posted. So this is the material number and this is the material document. Okay. Now, if I want to see the stock for this material, how much stock it is there for particularly this store location and this plant. Okay. Then I will go to /n MMB. MMB.
The
MMB, I will be enter the material number. If you have the plant, you can enter the plant. If you enter the store location, you can enter the store location. Then it will display particular plant. Okay. or if you are not entered the plant, then it will display commonly all the plants whatever stock is there. Okay, I'm just executing this one. If you see that this material is available in the 1000 plant, 1100 plant, 2000 plant, 2300 plant, 3000 plant, and 5100 plant. So this much of
Okay.
plants it is available. Now I want to see that stock which is only posted into my
1100.
plant. So I can see the stock here, and I can see in this 1100 plant I have only 500 quantity stock, which I have restored yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Right? And I can see still on order stock. That means still it is not completed. Still there is some open POs are there. We are not completed the goods receipt for this stock.
Okay.
So like you can see that different stock types also can see unrestricted, quality, reserved, receipts reservation. Like that, there are so many stocks are there. When you are posted specific moment type, then it will display that. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we'll do? Now what we'll do, I'll just to do it is there in the unrestricted stock. If you see that it is there in the unrestricted stock, what I'll do from unrestricted stock to quality stock. Now I'll be
Quality
move the
stock.
stock from the unrestricted to quality. Okay. So
Okay.
again I'll be go the same transaction code which is MIGO. Okay. And I'll be selected transfer posting here because I'm doing the process of transfer posting. If you remember that, we are doing the
Okay.
transfer posting process. Just in selecting the transfer posting. Since I don't have any reference document, I'll just go with other. And I'll be entering that my moment type is 322, which is for what is the 322, which is for unrestricted to quality. Because
To
I
quality
have the
stock.
stock, I have stock in unrestricted, I have to move to quality stock. Okay, so I'm just entering 322. Clear? Enter. Now you can see this 322 here, and in the here also you can see 322. Now enter the material number. What is the material number? 100-200 material. So this is the material number from and to destination and from. Okay. Then what is the plant we are having? We have under 1100 plant. So
1100.
and store location where it is their stock. You can see 0001 store location. I'll just using that 0001 store location.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
we are doing now. We are doing 322 movement type. That means what is that? Unrestricted to quality. Unrestricted to quality movement. Okay. So if how much quantity, suppose I just want to do some 100 pieces. Some 100 pieces I want to do from unrestricted to quality. Okay. You can see here the moment
Okay.
type. You need to recheck here in the where tab whether the moment type is updated or not updated. Okay. Clear? Now item
Clear.
okay. Item okay. Check. Enter. So we whose stock it is. Okay. I can enter the vendor number. Suppose let's say 1000 or something. Can enter. Okay.
Okay.
Then check and post. Now stock is posted, material document was posted. Since it is internal movement, right? It is internal movement. There is no accounting impact. There is no accounting impact because just we are inside the store location. We are just moving stock. So
Okay.
ultimately at plant level, the stock is same. No, it is not changing.
Okay.
So no, it is not impacted. No subsequent document was created. No accounting impact here. Okay. Now, if you want to
Okay.
see the stock here, let's go back and I can see this 500, it is there unrestricted, right? If I refresh this one, then the 100 pieces was moved to quality stock.
Okay.
Okay. 400 pieces now it is there in unrestricted and quality have the 100 pieces. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Again, if you want to do, okay, again you want to do transfer posting and I want to move the stock 100 pieces from unrestricted to block stock. Okay. So again,
Okay.
what is the moment type unrestricted to block stock? 344. 344 I have to. So I have to be select 344 moment type. 344 moment type. So you can go to where tab
344.
343 O and how what is the material number and what is the plant, what is the store location. Okay, what is the sorry, I will be entering the only. Okay. Okay, how much quantity like I'll just planning that I'll put 50. Okay, this
100.
50 I'll
50.
put 50. Okay. So I'm just moving the stock based on the movement of system understand that we are planning to move the stock from unrestricted to block stock. So check.
Okay.
and post.
Post.
So now the stock was posted. Again, this is also no impacted, no accounting entries impacted. Okay, no accounting entries impacted. Then again, I'll be going to
Yes.
that. Okay, refresh this one. Now it is 400, it is there, and now it will be like 350. Okay, then where is the
Okay.
50? Where is the 50? It will be display in
In the
the block.
block.
Here it will be display
Okay.
block.
Block. Okay.
Okay, clear.
Clear.
You can see here the block stock is 50. Unrestricted is
Okay.
500. So the same way reversal also you can do. Same you can select, go transfer posting. Okay, then you can do others and you can do 343. If you want to do 343, you can do 343. Okay, then this time I'll be doing for 10 pieces. Then again it will be go back to the unrestricted stock. So this time I'm doing the 10 pieces. So just check and post. So the stock was posted again. Now if I'm refresh this one, the stock unrestricted stock was 360 because 10 pieces was added, and block stock is 40 because I just moved back
Okay.
110 quantity into block stock to unrestricted. So this is the way we are need to do the transfer posting. So these transactions all
Okay.
will be the same procedure.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay, the same way transfer posting store location to store location also you can do. Okay, if I have the store location, multiple store location, okay, what I can do, same transfer posting with others. Okay, then I'll be going to mum type tree 11 because store location to store location transfer. Okay, so tree 11 mum type store location to location transfer, the same material, plant, store location, but here from store location and receiving store location are different because I'm doing store location to store location. So
Okay.
yeah, you can go 0002 or something if you have. Okay, so I'm just moving the stock from 0001 store location to 0002 store location. Then let's say assume that I want to do some 100 pieces. Okay, so how
Okay.
much stock it is there? I have unrestricted stock. How much it is there? 360 is there. Now I'm just
360.
moving 100. I'm just moving
100.
100. Then it is 260. Right? Okay. So
Okay.
do can also do this transfer posting and you can enter the details whatever you want to do. You can enter the details. Okay. And click on it. 1 minute. Huh? Okay. So now I'm doing the 100 pieces from one store location to other store location. Okay. So check. Okay. Post. So what will happen now? Stock again moved from this store location. That means 360 is there. Now refresh this one. Then it will become 260. The
260.
other store location will be 100.
100.
The stock which is moved from here to here. If you need to understand here, the stock which is moved from here to here.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
So this is the way we'll do the store location to store location transfer. In case if you want to do two-step procedure, okay, you can do three transfer posting others. Okay, then 313. Okay, 313. Okay, now you can enter that all the details which is material and store location and plant and all. Okay, now enter how much quantity you want to do. Suppose let's do, I'm just doing that 50 quantity. Okay. I'll be doing from here to here. Okay. So 313 I'm doing. Just remember that I'm doing 313. Okay. Document okay, post okay. So now see that we have 260 and 100. Now I'm refreshing this one. Now the stock which is reduced to 50 quantity from the main store location 0001, but it is not added to 0002. Okay. So where is that other stock? That's 50 quantity. Where is the 50 quantity? Because we are doing two-step procedure. It is in transit stock. So that in transit stock also you can see here.
Okay.
Right. So this is in the
Okay.
transfer inside the transit.
Okay.
Okay, in transit stock. Now again, what you need to do? You have to place in the storage with the reference of this material document number and enter the details. Now the system automatically taking the 350 moment, right? Then item okay, check and post. Now what will happen once the document was posted, this 50 will be going to my this, this store location. So
Okay.
refresh this one, the stock which is moved to 150.
150. Mm.
Okay, so now
Okay.
the stock transfer stock is 0. Okay, in transit stock
Okay.
is.
Okay.
So this is the way it will be work transfer posting.
Okay.
Transfer posting will be work. This is the way it will be work. So this is the completed. Okay, and this is completed. Okay, now if you see the transfer posting
Plan to plan.
plan to plan transfer. So let's assume that same it is like transfer posting address and select the 301 member type. Okay, then enter that material number and the store location and the plant. You have to enter different store location, different plant. Okay,
Okay.
because we are doing now different plants, no? Plant to plant transfer. The store
Yes.
location it is not necessarily the same. You can also do for different store location also. So it is not a
Okay.
problem. It is not a problem what store location, because under this plant this is a different store location. Under this plant this is a different store location. So we are
Yes.
not bothering about that what store location it is. We are bothering about only what plant it is.
Plan.
Plant to which plant it is going. So this is 1100 plant which is a Berlin, and this is a Dresden. Dresden. Okay, that is a plan.
Okay.
So how much quantity you are planning? So let's say I have the stock of how much stock which is there under 0001 210 is there. So I will just transfer the 110 stock. Okay, I'm just transferring the stock 110. So before you doing this one, you must be created this material for the both plants. Okay, so master data should be there in this plant and this plant, the same material.
Okay.
If it is not
Okay.
there, then it won't be accepted. Okay, so click on check. So where we can check that if it is metal C. I'm getting that error. This metal was not
Meeting plan
exist in the
1200.
1200.
1200.
So what we can see, I can go to MM60.
60.
This is report. We can see that this material, how many plant, which plant it is maintained. Okay, 1200 to 100. So it is there in the 1000 and 1100. So I can do from 1100 to 1000.
1000.
Okay, so 1000 I will be doing 1000 plant. Okay. Now let's check. Now the system will not be throw any error because the material was valid in the both plans.
Both plans.
Okay, and doing that 110 quantity and the store location you can enter whatever the store location you want, you can enter and post. Okay, so this is an internal document was posted. So the number range for financial document. Okay, in this case financial document will be impacted. Why it is impacted? It is
It
going
is
from
going
one
from
plant
one plant to
plant
another
to other
plant.
plant. So plant level valuation, because Hyderabad is the different city and Bangalore is the different city. The the labor cost, the transportation cost,
Transportation costs.
okay, and the living cost, all it is different from the Bangalore to Hyderabad. Because in Hyderabad, if I'm selling 100 rupees, same price I cannot sell in the Bangalore 100 rupees, because there is a definitely there was living cost is high, labor cost is high, transportation cost is high, everything is high. Obviously, it will be impacted. So this is called plant level valuation. Okay,
Okay.
valuation at each branch level. Okay, clear. Now this is the FBN one. Okay, FBN one, and 1000 company code. Company code is same, but plants are different. Okay. Now 1000 FBN1 and 49. 49 we are maintaining 47. Only if it is internally plant level transfers only, it won't be impacted the accounting entries. But if it is going outside of the plant, then definitely it will be impacted. Okay. Branch to branch when it is transferred, it will be impacted. Now that and post document. Okay, again we are getting some issues of field text to required. Okay, this field text I can put here. Maybe in the weighted tab, I'll put text something. Now document was posted. Okay. So now document was posted here. So now definitely the accounting entry is impacted because the material stock under my plant, one plant is completely down and it is moved to the other plant. Okay. So that's why it is impacted with the FI documents. So it will be debited in the one plant and credited in the other plant. Okay. So because both plants are different plants. Okay. So you can see the plants information also here. Can adjust the layout and you can see that the plant information here. Where is my plant? You can see plant company code, cost center, text segments, and where is the plant here? Maybe it is there already here. Here plant you can
Plant.
see. This plant you can see here. I think I can go here like this one. That is not coming. That's what I'll do. Now we can do this one in layout. I'll do onto the plant and move down. Now I can see the plant code also here. 1100 2000. So these are two different plants. Okay, one plant stock is up, one plant stock down. Okay, like that. Okay, so here you can see here it is stock up and down like that. You can see here. Okay, the difference why is this coming again? Because the standard price both plants have the different prices, so that was impacted. Okay, so this is accounting interest impacted. Now if you see the stock, refresh this one. Our stock was completely down here 100 from 210 to 100 it is gone, but now I selected only 1100 plan, right? So that's why it is coming like this. Now I can do what I can do. 1000 I will be selected here and 1100 I will be selected here. I can see 1100 and 1000 both. So 1000 have the stock which is like 110 and the stock is added. Here stock is gone. Okay.
Yes.
So stock is added. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
So
There.
this is the way you can do 1 minute. So this is the way we can do the plan to plan transfer also. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
There.
So this is a transfer postings. What we are did all it is a transfer posting. Okay, and we did goods is shipped, right? So we did goods is shipped with purchase order, right?
Okay, got
Okay.
it.
So now we'll do two-step procedure how we can do. Okay, for this we need purchase order. Okay. So what I will do yesterday, okay, the stock was not there, right? I will just create one more PO, short test PO. Okay,
Okay.
MB21N, and I'll be entering that all the details manually. What is the material number 200, 1100? Okay, how much 100 pieces? Okay. I'll be take my store my yesterday vendor. Okay. I'll be
Okay.
just taking the I just creating the PO for 100 pieces. Now I'm receiving the course. Suppose let's assume that this PO is sent to the vendor. Then now vendor is sent the goods to the us. Now I'm planning to do the receipt. So some release strategy is there. I will release that stuff. ME29 and ME29 and okay and release the purchase order and save. So this we'll discuss later. Release strategy. Okay, that is
Okay.
separate topic. Okay, just releasing that ME29 and okay now. My Jivo, I'm just going to my Jivo. Now, what is my idea here? I'm not doing directly to my store location. I'm doing first to gear stock, then I'll be going to the store location. Okay,
Right.
two-step
Okay.
procedure. I'm planning to do the store procedure. So now I'll be doing a goods receipt, and I'm just selecting the purchase order, and I'll be entering the PO, but I'm entering that. Okay, moment type is 1 or 2. Manually, I'm just entering the
Not
moment
three.
type. Two-step procedure I'm doing. Okay, clear? So now
Yes.
you can see here the where tab 1 or 3. The system is not asking store location because you are not sending to the store location. You are blocking in the middle of the GR plussing area. There is a good
Okay.
system area is there. We just blocking the stock at that area. GR block stock area. So then item okay. How much quantity? Suppose you are received only 50 pieces, then you can put 50 pieces. Okay. Check item okay. Okay. Then post. Now stock which we are received now. Okay. But if you see that there is no accounting impact, even which
Okay.
we are received as goods, because we just placed into GR block stock. We are not directly accepting the product. Still, we are not accepted. We just
Okay.
validate the product. So it is there in
Okay.
the 1 or 3 moment. Okay. That's why it is not coming to store location. Okay. That's why we don't have any stock movement. Now, if I refresh this one, what I can do, I just put only 100 to understand purpose. 100. Okay. Execute this one. Okay. Now, the stock which we received 50 pieces, that is not added into the my store location because I'm not received into the any store location. It is in the GR block stock. Where I can
Okay.
see the GR block stock again, you can have the separate okay GR block stock
GR
that
block start.
plant level GR block stock is there. It is not at
Okay.
location level, it is the plant level. Okay,
Okay.
that's why it is displaying at plant level. Okay, now I'm moving the stock to the my store location. Okay.
Okay.
So then place the again place in storage, enter, sorry, not storage in storage. Okay, release GR block stock. Okay, GL release stock and enter the detailed document. Enter. Okay, done. Now system automatically taking 105.
One
Now
out
which
five.
store location you want to be placed, you can put it. Suppose 0003 is there, then you can put in 0003 store location.
Okay.
Okay. So which store location you want to be put, that you can put it. Now click on check. Okay. Now post. Now the stock was moved from GR block stock area to my
Location please.
store location. Which store location is 300 store location. Different store location I placed.
Yes.
So this is the two-step procedure. If I do one-step procedure, what will be happen at a one single shot for the same PO, I have remaining 50 quantity, right? I did only
Yes.
50 quantity. So what I will do, I'll just create again. I'll just remove this one. Okay. I'll just go to goods receipt purchase order. Then I'll be entering the moment type is 101. Oh, okay, it is single step. So what will
Okay.
happen? Directly it will come to my store location. What are the remaining quantity? 50 pieces or 20 pieces? How much you receive? Suppose 30 pieces I received. Then it directly come to my store location. Which store location you want to be put? Suppose like a 0004
Zero.
something which is there. I can put that store location and receive. Okay, and post. Now it is a single step procedure which I am automatically receive the stock into the remaining 30 pieces into 0004
Okay.
because I did only 30 pieces here. Because I
Okay.
did only 30 pieces. Okay, clear?
Clear.
So only 105, when you are doing 105, there is a stock accounting impact, and when you are doing 101, there is a accounting impact. Okay,
Okay.
there is no impact on the 102. Okay, that is what here goods is with one step, two step procedure. And if you
Okay.
want to do with production order and process order, again that is completely MPP process. Okay, they
Okay.
are consuming that. Okay, so
Okay.
that we can do. So this is the way we can do the goods receipt, and this is the transfer process. And now we
Okay.
want to do the vendor returns. Suppose you want to do vendor returns. Okay, so I'll just select the vendor returns, return delivery. Okay, select the return delivery and with reference of material document. I'm doing with reference of material document. I said right. We can have the reference of material document, that is GR document, or we don't have GR document, then you can create the manually PV. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm doing with the GR document.
GR
I'm
document.
just entering that return delivery material document number, that material document number. So 30 pieces, which is like 122 momentum. System automatically picking that momentum 122. Okay,
Okay.
this is a
Okay.
122 momentum. Okay, this is a 122. You can choose what stock type it is. Okay, whether it is in the quality inspection stock or block stock, unrestricted stock, wherever it is there, you can choose that. Okay,
Okay.
and you have to enter that why you are returning the goods.
Reason.
So some poor quantity or some what damaged or okay delivery has wrong product. So like you can enter whatever it may be, you can enter the stuff. Now again item okay, check and post. Now
Okay.
stock has returned. How much we return here? This 30 pieces was returned.
Okay.
Stock refresh this one. It is going out from the store location. Okay, and it won't be displayed anywhere because it is going out. Return when the
Out.
return means it is going out. So it won't be displayed in the my store location level. So you can see the display of the document, and this is vendor returns. Return to vendor. Clear?
Yes.
In this case, again, accounting impact is there because I already posted my material document with accounting entries, right? The stock movement that is reversal now because my stock was gone outside, right? So my stock was down, and I have to clear the again goods issue for the GRIR payments and all. You have to clear. Clear? So this is the way
Yes.
we can do the vendor returns. Okay. So same way, if it is there in the JR block stock, you can use the JR block stock. I can do. What is the JR block stock? So I have the pieces, 50 pieces I have because I have
Yes.
written 30 pieces, right?
30
So again, I
pieces.
have 50 pieces open.
Okay.
Okay. Now 50 pieces out of 50 pieces, I'm just receiving 10 pieces and I will be receiving into 1 or 3 moment. That is GR block stock.
Okay.
I'm doing the GR block stock. So when you are middle of the changing, you have to cross check that what moment type it is there. You have to change this moment type here. Okay. So okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do again. I have to change at initial only. Not change later. Okay, I'll just do again here, putting that 1 or 3 moment of directly. Okay. Now I'm changing here 1 or 3, and I will put 10 pieces in the JR block stock. Okay. So you understand, right? What is the JR block stock, right?
Yes.
So this JR block stock is in this area. So JR check. Okay. 10 post. Now it is there in the JR block stock. 10 pieces was in the JR blocks. If I
GR
refresh this,
block stop.
if it is refresh this one, I can see JR block stock is 10 pieces.
Okay.
So these 10 pieces I'm planning to return because I just validated here. I just validated here. I'm just returning to the vendor. I did
Okay.
I did this one, right? I did this one, but I'm not done this one. So I'm returning
Okay.
from DR blocks now. So still I'm not
Okay.
received. Still I'm not received. There is no accounting impact. Okay. Please remember. Here it is
Okay.
accounting impacted, but here it is not. It is not
Yes.
impacted any accounting because it's
Okay. It's
not accepted.
internal. Okay.
Still it's not accepted product. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm doing again return to delivery with the same material number. Okay. Material document number is the reference, and I can see there is a moment type is 124.
24.
So in this case, again you can write what is the region, poor damage or something. I'm not entering any store location because it's not store location stock. It is in the GR block stock area. Okay. Click on check.
Okay.
So okay. So this 124 moment type, what regions it is there, I just put cross check that. They have not created any moment type, but still it is mandatory. I will create one more region for moment type. Okay. So go to OMJJ, which is same, which we have shown, right? 10 OMJJ. There you can see the moment types, right? So this is the you can go SPRO configuration part. Here
Yes.
we didn't created any region for goods movement. So I'm creating the region. So which region for moment type I have to create? I want to create for 124. I'll be just copying here. I'm creating for 124 because it is there for 124, but it is not there for 122. So I'm just creating for 124. Same regions. It might be poor quality, incomplete quality, or damaged or something. Okay. I'm just created the region for it. So this is the configuration. So whatever we are doing inside the program, inside the SPRO, that is the configuration. So the reason why I'm creating, because when I'm doing the transaction, so we don't have option to select the region for course. So that is the configuration we are designed here. Now I'm designing 4 regions. Okay. So these 4 regions I'm entering here. So I can see now, earlier if I am not getting anything, now I can see that these 4 regions are created. Poor quality,
Okay.
incomplete, damage like.
Damage error.
So this is the way. This is the what configuration and the transaction difference. Okay. Transaction
Okay.
can be done by the user. They don't know how to create these region codes. Okay, we are suggesting that you have this option. You have to select that. Like you, when you are creating your profile, there is a Mr., Mrs. and translate. So you have the option only tree. You have to select tree only. Either one you have to select from that tree. You cannot go for the last one, but there is no option for that, right? So the same way,
Okay.
we are just designing in the background. These are 4 options for this one. So you have to be select out of these 4. They have to be select one. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the moment I'm just entering. So now again same procedure, check and post. Now stock was moved from GR block stock area to this stock to vendor.
Vendor. Vendor.
Refresh this one, the stock was gone. GR block stock is
Yes.
gone, that is gone to the vendor.
Vendor.
Okay. So now if you can see display material documents. So no need any accounting because I still not accepted this product. So I'm returning from the here only. I'm returning here only. From here to here I'm returning. So there is no impact of the accounting because I
Okay.
didn't accept this product. But here what will happen? I accepted the product and it is impacted already accounting
Okay.
entries. That's why there is accounting entries here. So did you
Yes.
understand what? So these are the
Yes.
very important. When interview point of view, they want to be confused that. So they will tell that okay, you got the stock, it is there in GA block stock, you are returning the stock. So what is the accounting impact? They will ask. So you need to
Okay.
be think and you have to tell that okay, this will not be impacted any because we are not accepted the product. Okay. So this is the way we'll do
Okay.
the vendor returns. This is the way we'll do the vendor
Okay.
returns. 122, 1 okay. And this box 161 is how you can do this 161. You have to create the pivot first. Okay. You have to create the pivot. So what kind of
So
pivot? Standard pivot, not standard pivot. So this pivot was different when the written pivot was different. So what is the
written
difference
PO.
here? Yeah. So written pivot is different. So what is where I can see that difference? Where I can see that difference here? I'll show you that. 100, 120 material. Okay, and plant and okay. So what's the material number? Okay,
Quantity.
okay, 100 iPhone 200. Okay, so 100 iPhone 200 material. And how much I want to return? How much stock it is there? I'll be have the 100 pieces. Let's say so, let's assume that 50 pieces I want to return. So I'll just put the 15 pieces.
50.
Okay. Then what is the difference for the standard PO and the return PO? So there is a checkbox is there. Return checkbox is there. So you can see here there is a return
Okay.
item.
Written item.
You have to select here. Then check and save. So this purchase order is return PO. How you can find this return PO based on the checkbox. Okay.
Okay.
So the process was same, how we are doing PO, GR and all
PO.
same, but it is just a checkbox size different. Now I'll be
Okay.
go MIGO and I will do goods receipt. Okay, I will do the material the purchase order. So this is the reference purchase order, goods receipt, same procedure and enter. So I'll just remove this one. Okay, on. So I'm just go with this one. Now if you see that, okay, the step is same, but the moment type it is coming 161 because it is the GR returns. Okay.
Okay.
So the step procedure is same, okay, but the moment type it is taking all automatically 161 based on the purchase order, the
Purchase
return
order. Written PO.
checkbox, return checkbox. Okay, based on this return checkbox, the system is identifying that, okay, this is a return, vendor return. So again, you have the selection box and restricted block quality and all, you can do that. Okay, that is what I just explained, right? You can do quality stock and block stock and restricted stock also.
Okay.
161, okay? So you have the stock it is there. Then I can see 50 pieces I'm returning that. Okay, item okay, check and post. Now what will happen if I refresh the stock? Okay, this refresh stock, the 50 quantity has gone. It is going to vendor. Okay, it is
Okay.
going to vendor, and I can see again the accounting documents impacted because the stock already it is there in the my storage location. That means the value already I updated to financial. Financial it is updated from now. I am returning from this stock to the vendor.
Vendor.
So definitely there will be a accounting impact. Second, vendor account have to be adjusted. Yeah, here also you can do you have to be clear the credit memo.
Okay.
Okay, so normally we will do the invoice, right? Here we are raising the credit memo. In invoice, MIRO, while doing invoice receipt, MIRO, you have to do the credit memo. So we have the options like credit memo. Invoice is we are receiving, credit memo is we are raising. We are
Zero.
raising because we are return the stock, right? We are raising this
To
stock
vendor.
to vendor. Okay.
Okay.
Again, this purchase order you can enter and what are the stock 50 quantity, you are requesting them to clear that amount. Okay, you are informing to the finance team. Okay, this is the balance which vendor have to pay. Which is the balance vendor have to pay. Okay, clear.
Yes.
So this is the credit memo. So invoice is different, credit memo is different. So
Okay.
every vendor returns you have to do the credit memo if it is evaluated. So that's why see here. Here we need to get the stock. We need to get the amount. So that is why
Amount.
we are plan. Okay, so this is debit, not credited. Okay,
Okay.
so if you only posted this document, then vendor have to pay that amount to me.
Okay.
Clear? So this is the credit memo. So when you are doing the vendor returns, okay, so you have for this case 122 case and 161 case, you have to create the credit memo. If it is already posted the invoice.
Okay.
Okay, in this case not required because this is non-validated, right? They are locked stock. So there is no still invoice not posted. Right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So this is the vendor returns. Goods receipt, vendor return, and transfer posting. Okay. Now only goods issue scrapping. Okay. This we will discuss in the individual process because everything is individual. This is only one single process. Okay.
Okay.
And the scrapping also single process. But this production order again PP related. Okay. And this customer issue again
Yes.
sales order related. Sales order related. And this is the subcontracting process, special
Okay.
process.
Okay.
Okay, this scrapping and cost center it is very easy. Okay, so you can go to MIGO. All it is a single transaction only. That is what difference for the older version and newer version. Okay, so MIGO and goods issue. Okay, and I don't have any reference. Then I'll go to others. The first I'm doing 551 scrap. So I can enter directly 551. So suppose I have the product I have 50 pieces now. That 50 pieces, I'm just 10 pieces, I just looking into that product was
Into
damaged.
scrap.
Okay, so damaged. So I will be doing scrapping that product. So I don't want to use that product. Or it may be expired. I don't want to use that product again. So 20 pieces I'm doing to scrap. So you can
Okay.
hear here 55, 51 is the scrapping. Okay, so which store location, which plant, those are we need to be entered. Okay, and which plant, okay, which vendor is related, maybe 15. Okay, and here you can check and you need to be entered that account assignment related objects here. You have to be entered that which cost center or consumption related you have to be entered. Okay.
Mhm.
So again, this is related to cost center. So we need to cross check that whether we have the cost centers or not. Let's see. Okay, when the zero is not defined for the physical year. Version zero is not defined for physical year. So something which is coming. We'll discuss later this one. Okay.
Okay.
This is controlling variation 1000 version zero. There's so many issues here. This is the finance related. We are checking the versions. Okay, we'll discuss later this one. Okay, scrapping and all. Same, the process is same for course issue to cost center also. Just moment that will be changed. And again, 201. If you go to 201, course issue to cost center, you have to enter the cost center number. Which cost center it is. What is the cost center name? What is the meaning of cost center? It is a department.
Department HR.
You have to HR department, finance department that you have to enter. Suppose I'm just showing the stock cost center, and maybe you can search here what cost center it is. These cost centers will be created by finance team. So don't bother about that. It is not needed to create that from outside. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see if any administrative or account related cafeteria.
Accounts receivable is
I'll go to cafeteria. Okay. This is also one department, right? Cafeteria is department only, right?
effective.
Uh, Maintenance related.
Okay.
So just check. Okay, here also it is getting version. Okay. So we need to be sorted out this version zero. Okay. If any finance people is there, we can do. Or also, I'm getting this error, which is like one error which is coming. Yes, that error, if you want to be sorted out, inconsistency, there is some inconsistency there. So again, that I don't know how to inconsistency needs to be clear. Okay, so here they have to be maintained physically. I'll do one thing. I'll try to maintain in the table level if it is possible. This is finance related. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, it's not showing it's the table. Okay. So we'll discuss this later. Okay. This
Okay.
one needs to be sorted. Again, it will take a little bit time to sort out again. This is coming some exclusive inconsistency. Not sure what we need to interview. I don't know. So this again, activation after indicator is not permitted. There are some other which is getting. This is inactive.
Okay.
So it is not able to process that one. I just want to see that what is the table. At least if you know the table, then I can add somewhere.
Okay.
It is not displaying. Okay, leave it. Okay, so I'll just discuss. Will explain the next time the course issue. So these are the ways we can do the stock movements. Okay, these are the ways we can do the stock movements here. Okay. Any questions?